Okay, so we did the wheel. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we need to create some space here. Let's hide this, and let's hide this, and let's we keep the mirror, and we going to open up. Wait, before we open up, I think we should remove, or not remove. We should remove the gap. So how we gonna do that? We can actually go into edit mode, Alt Z, and yeah, let's select everything here. Just make it not too complicated here, and then G, Y, and then we move it right here, maybe more, maybe until here. Let's see. Yeah, okay. I mean, I think this is fine. Maybe not so much. We can do that, but if we want to be really like, how you call it, really clean, we should bend GZ. We really should go down more like this, and we should go to vertex, front view, sorry, and then we just GX like this, GX like this. I hope GX like this, that I have the correct vertices selected here. GX, we're gonna see in a minute. But yeah, really need to bend this inwards. So let's just see, and then we need to adjust this one here as well. Of course, we need to adjust this one. So GY, this one, GY, this one, maybe here. I don't really know what's going on here. This one, GY like this, and then GY like this, and then GY like this, and GY like this, GY like this, more, not fill, GY, okay. And this one looks silly, so move it up. Okay. If we exit now the X-ray, yeah, I think it looks much better. Yeah, it looks much better. Okay. You can also go here, the vertex. You can go and use this vertex here, G, Y, and move it here. But it's not really doing much because, yeah, we need more. We need more loops. So what we can do. Also, this one needs to be a little bit more GX, like this, and maybe here GX like this, and GX like this, GX like this. So just that we have a nice bending here. And if we want to create a stronger, like if you really want to have an impact on this angle, we do this. Control R, and just try to put it here, and then it should be, yeah, it should be fine. It looks much better. Yeah, now it looks much better. So what we need to do, we need to create the hole here. So let's hide this, and let's hide this, and we need to open up this one here. This, and this. Really need to open this up. Maybe until there. Subdivision and smooth, turn it off. Yeah, let's just delete that. Delete these faces. And now Y is our All right, okay, I know why. We need to adjust our screw, of course. So G, Y, and we're good to go. Okay, hide that. So let's close this one here. So how are we gonna do that? Let's disable the mirror. And how are we gonna close this? I think disable the subdivision, the smooth, and we should select this one here, the inner. We need it. We really need it. This one and this one and this. Please do not select the bevel here. And this one, which it looks like a triangle, but it's not. Okay, we need that. We really need that. Okay. Top view, 7. Control, Shift D, middle mouse button, drag it down, drag it to the left, and S, X, 0, enter. And then we go X-ray mode, and now vertex mode, snapping, the vertex snapping, turn it on, and then we can snap. Alt Z. Actually, Control plus everything. Select this copy. Yeah, select this copy here, one vertex, and then Control plus, and we can actually use G. And I really want to snap this here. I really want to snap this because this is driving me insane. Okay, this one. Okay, now we can see. Turn on the vertex. Yeah, it's snapped. Okay, so this is actually a polygon. Really important. And yeah, we snap everything here. So we're gonna use the vertices of the copy and snap it to our main mesh. And we need to do this here. This one goes here. This one goes here. This one goes here. This one goes here. And then we have this one tiny bit. This here snap. And we need to snap. Oh, you cannot really see. Is it snapped already? I don't know. Just make sure, press G and snap it. G and snap it. G, snap. G. If you're wondering how I snap, it's just clicking it, press G, and then just hover over this. It's doing the snapping automatically. Alright, so now the normals are flipped. We already flipped the normals, as you can see here. This no, we did not, because we copied it again. So let's do it again. We need to do it again. This one, this one, this one, this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and really important this, because we need to bevel that. This one, this, that, bam, bam, bam. And face orientation, yeah, looks good to me. And mesh, normals, flip, and we can see everything's blue from the outside. Everything from the outside needs to be blue. And then Alt Z, turn off the face orientation, and then select everything by distance. And we removed 9 vertices. Alt Z, and then we can let's close this one here as well. How are we gonna do that? Just extrude here, and yeah. Why? I think we don't need to do much. This is fine. We don't need to do so much. Let's should we bevel that? Should we, or we should not? Should we? Maybe a little bit. Maybe we should bevel. Maybe. And I think we should put this one down, right? No, we should not, because we have this bending here. Okay, so we should not. This looks odd to me. This looks odd. G, X. No, turn off the snapping. G, X. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now this we need to connect the circle here. Click, shift click, F. Click, shift click, F. And this is pretty much it, what we do here. This one and this one. Click on this edge and then view, frame selected. This one, this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. Oh, why is it already selected? Oh, okay. Okay, cool. And then we can actually bevel this as well, which we should do like this. It's enough. Three loops, like here. And we reveal our bottom. We can see this is closed. If we have our clamp, this looks fine to me. I mean, you can create a gap here. You just can select these edges, these outer edges, and just move it a little bit if you want. But I think, in my opinion, I like that. Okay. Now this is open. Now what we can do now? Yeah, what we can do now? Let's bevel this. Let's bevel this because I really want to have this beveled. Never use sharp edges. Never. Let's try. Is this the loop we need? Frame selected. I think if we go into wireframe and X-ray, I think, yeah, okay, so let's bevel that. But we need to be careful here because we are going to screw up this one here. This is really, I don't know. I'm really wondering why there is no bevel here. Did I remove the bevel? Why did I remove the bevel? Why did I remove the bevel? It doesn't make any sense. So we okay, we're just gonna bevel it. I don't care. I'm just gonna re-bevel it. Okay. So this is a big mess, we can see. So what we need to do, let's put that down. GZ, like this. And I want to bevel this. Please, let me bevel this. I want to find peace. I really want to find peace. Okay. So let's check here that nothing is going to screw up here. And what we can see, yeah, okay, we need to fix that. There's no way. We really need to fix that. So let's go into this shading here. We need to fix that. There's no way around. Like this. Okay, so we have a polygon here, we have polygon here. We have this weird looking polygon here, which is really weird looking. But we can fix that. Always try to make this look poly, like this. No, we should not do that. We should do this. We should do this. No, not really. We should do this. And we should do this. I mean, yeah, just that we have polygons here. It looks messy here, but as long as we have polygons, everything is connected. It's fine. Okay, but let me fix this so it's straight. And this needs to be straight. S, Z, and 0, enter. Okay. And yeah, we need to bevel this, definitely. Or do we? Do we need to bevel or don't we? Let's check. Smooth. Subdivision. Okay, we don't actually we don't need to bevel that. We don't, we are lucky we don't need to bevel, because the geometry is enough. The geometry we have here is enough so to make it, our subdivision is making it quite round here. I mean, yeah. So when we turn off the subdivision and we go into object mode, we can see we still have a good shape here. But this is, I mean, this is like really sharp. Okay, so how it's gonna look when we use the subdivision, it looks much better. When we use the normal map, when we're gonna bake the normal map later, it's gonna look much better here. Okay, so this is fine, and we have the inner side. I'm really happy, except for this one here. But this is because we need to snap it. Yeah, we need to snap, and this one. Let's try and merge this again. Yes, okay. Yeah, we really need to merge this. We really need to check that everything is merged. Okay. So now, if we select all the outer edges here, not this one, not these edges, but these edges here. Let's hide this. Okay. So press 7 and we make sure SX0, enter. Okay, I think it's already perfectly aligned. And then we can use our mirror modifier and we can see everything's connected, everything looks good. And we can use our clamp here. And now, finally, we're gonna use our clamp. So we need to create our clamp. So let's make it as easy and as simple as possible, okay? This is a cylinder. We call it mesh wheel. And then let's just reveal our metal part here. We don't need the wheel. And then let's press Shift A. We're gonna use what we're gonna use? A plane, just a simple plane. R, Y, and drag it down 90 degrees. So keep holding Control so it snaps. And then we can press S, Z, do it like this, and S, Y, do like this, and just do move it here. No snapping. No snapping. Move it here. Yeah, do it smaller, maybe more like this. Move it here. And now, if we go to press Alt Z, we can actually try to mimic this clamp here. It has a bevel, and then it's more narrow and has a long bevel here. So let's do it like, let's make it pretty simple, okay? Let's extrude. Maybe we should extrude this one. But before we move on, let's save. Oh no, I don't know. No, I'm not saving because no, let's not save now. No, we don't need that. Okay, so what I'm doing now is press E and then extrude. Press the edge here, and then I need to bevel. No, let's just bevel this one here. Let's bevel. Yeah, let's bevel everything. Let's bevel everything. I don't want to have n-gons here. This one. Yeah. We don't need to bevel this. All right, I don't care anymore. Let's just bevel this one here. Let's just bevel this one like this. And then we bevel this, maybe like this, then create an edge loop here. Yeah, I want to create an edge loop, so do it please. But it's not doing because we created an ugly n-gon. So delete. We need to delete our n-gon. Hide this. And we need to fill our mesh. We need to remove the n-gons, and we need to fill our mesh. I don't want any n-gons. I don't want to see that. I really don't want to see that. So let's just... No, let's do the other way around. Like this, like this, like this, 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 this. So this is really small, what we're doing here. No, this is the wrong one. This one, and this. And then the same for this side, and this side, and this side. So this is how I do all the work to get rid of n-gons, because we really need to, otherwise our mesh will be useless. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna mirror that anyway. Okay, so let's create this one, a loop, Control R, S, Z, make it like this, and then let's add some polygons. Yeah, I mean, let's edges, like edge loops, and let's try and make this more roundish. So S, Z, boom, S, Z, S, Z, and like this. So we really need to do this piece by piece. But I think, yeah. Okay. I think this is fine. And then finally we can bevel that here. Just select all these edges. Make sure everything is selected. And then go out of the X-ray, Control B, and maybe 3 is enough. What I can see here, wait, let's get rid of that. I really don't like that. So G, Y, do like this, make it smaller, G, Y, yeah, okay, like this, and also here, G, Y, here, S, that, and make it G, Y, make it like this. Okay, so now we can bevel more. What did I do here? I forgot to scale in one axis. This is a shame. S, Z, this is what I tried to do. Okay, maybe a little more. S, Z, okay, to get more roundness. Okay, but we really need to bevel that here. Select everything and bevel as much as we can, maybe. Maybe like this. But before I do that, Control A, rotation scale. And then like this. Okay. Shade smooth. And then we use a smooth modifier. If I can find it. Where's my smooth modifier? Here. And then we just repeat, like 10 times to make it really smooth. And then we can even remove all these edges here. These. Dissolve edges. No. No, I did a mistake. Sorry. Again, just this edge, just this, just this, just this, just this, just this, maybe just this one, dissolve edge. Alright, and then we insert another edge, S, Z, and do like this, and we gonna insert this one, and I think this one looks much better. Okay, this one is maybe a little too long. Yeah. Okay, so this looks much better. And now let's move it to let's make sure that everything here is selected, the whole loop on the inner side, and stay in X-ray mode. And I think, yeah, I think everything is fine. SX0, enter, just to make sure everything is flat, everything is sharp. And then we're gonna use a mirror modifier. But before we do that, press Shift S, cursor to selected, go to Object, set origin to 3D cursor, just to make sure that everything is right. And then we're gonna use our mirror, which is here, and drag it up. Always drag up your mirror modifier, Alt Z, and we are out of it. And I think this is pretty much it. This is our clamp. It's fine, nothing special, but it looks good, and we can use our subdivision surface. Maybe we don't need so much smoothing. No, I think this is fine. Maybe this is fine. Repeat 5 times, this is okay. How it's gonna look. I mean, also this looks quite cool, so maybe let's go for 3. Yeah, I mean, it's up to you. Alright, so let's just align that. Yeah, let's just align. Press 3, Alt Z, and let's just rotate like this, as we can see here, just a little bit, and then do like this, maybe. I think it needs to be bigger, right? Like this, and then here, and then we can go, and what I can see here, yeah, maybe we fix that here, make it a little more. I mean, we're not gonna see it anyway. We're not gonna see this anyway, so, but I wanna have this right. I wanna have this right. Okay. Yeah. Even here, let's do this a little more like that. This one a little more like that. This one I don't like. I don't like that really. Okay. So yeah, minor changes, and it looks much better. Okay, cool. This is our clamp, and what we can see, it's already has a good size. Maybe do SX and do it a little more, that we have like a tiny gap. Yes, maybe a little more. Yeah, sweet. This is sweet. Okay. Shade smooth, subdivision, smooth, subdivision, mirror, everything. We can apply the mirror because it looks good. We have no issues here. Everything in the center looks fine. Everything is connected. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the modeling. Let's clean up the mesh. Let's check everything, and then we are done with the modeling. And then we're gonna, after the cleanup, we're gonna do some UV editing, and then we're gonna do some texturing.